once again.
Hello again, Jimmy here at O'Reilly's. I've got this Peugeot car here, and if we use the key to lock it, the alarm goes off. The alarm going off, and then when you unlock it after 30 seconds the alarm will go off again. So we're going to see if we can figure out why and what's going on. So what we've noticed is if we leave the bonnet open and lock the car, unlock it, the alarm is not going off, but after a few minutes the alarm will then go off. But with the bonnet closed, press the button and the alarm is immediately going off 9 times out of 10. So it's probably something that's going to be inside the catch unit here. So we're going to take that apart and have a look. Got some of the clips here and take off. Take that off. Just put that to the side over there. Just use our pick tool. We can pull out this sensor for the bonnet here. And what we're going to do is try holding this pressed closed, so you can press it in and out. So we're going to try holding it pressed closed and then lock the car. And then we're just going to try a few methods like this for a minute. So we're holding it closed. We've now locked the car. I'll just hold that for maybe up to 60 seconds, see if the alarm's still going off. So it could be a case that this is wasn't catching against the locking mechanism anymore, and it wasn't holding it closed. So we're just going to hold that and see if the alarm goes off again. And after a few minutes holding it here, this seems to have fixed the problem. So it looks like that little clip thing there where it pushes into the bodywork somewhere inside. And we haven't taken apart this top section yet to see how it's designed, but by holding that in, it's fixed the problem. So you'd have a few options out to sort this problem. So we'll let go of the switch and see if the alarm goes off. Yep. Now we'll unlock the car to stop the alarm again. So obviously the first and most normal answer would be to go and get a new one of these sensors. And your other option would be to hold this closed with something like a cable tie and tape. Another option you could do is cut both of these wires at the end here and join them together with a joiner, and that would make it think that the bonnet is always closed. I imagine it's quite a common problem for them to keep breaking. So we could show you a few methods. We'll probably try a couple. Okay, what we're going to try, for those of you who want to try and do a cheaper bodge fix or a cheap fix or whatever you'd like to call it, just going to try and wrap a cable tie around this and see if it permanently cures the problem. So we're going to pull the cable tie in so it keeps the bonnet in a closed position there, the sensor. Going to unlock the car, open the door and re-close it as if you'd normally do. Lock the car. And we'll give it some time to make sure. We're not just going to say yes, that's fit. That has stopped the problem. So what we're doing is obviously doing a few procedures of diagnosing here. And of course you'd have the option of leaving that on if you wanted to do that, if this works. So 5 minutes has passed, the alarm hasn't gone off, and obviously before we try to do this, before we put that on there, as soon as you lock the car, the alarm will go off. You unlock it, the alarm would stop for maybe a minute, then it would come on again, and it would just keep repeating that process. The alarm would come on for a minute, go off, come on for a minute. So we've narrowed it down to that, and that seems to fix the problem. And if you're looking at the same problem, you know where to look, and you'll have the option of replacing that, or you'd have the option of doing what we've done here. So I think for now I'm just going to leave this on here, and we'll make a bit of a nicer job of it first. So I'll chop the end of this off nice and flush. We'll get some tape just to go around it, make sure the cable tie doesn't slip off. And we can tuck that back, just back in where it was, in along there. Just make sure it's not going to catch on anything. Just use our little pick tool to get it somewhere nice and snug, where it's not going to catch onto any of the bonnet catches or clips. There's a nice little section over here, we'll just slide it down there. There's the tools we use: a pick, snipper pliers, some tape. Now we can get this piece of plastic that came off. Get our key out of there first, and we can then slide this back where it should be. Clip these back in. That should be a job done. That's all sorted. Car's locked. Unlocked. And locked. Unlocked. No alarm. So that's all sorted. And obviously you would have the option of coming back and putting a new sensor on it, or you could just leave it as you wish. That would be your choice, of course. So I hope that helped. If you have this problem, you know where to look and you know how to solve it.